Welcome back to Nathan's Beer Time here. We're doing a 2-for-1 tonight. We've already done the milk review earlier tonight. Now we're doing a very strong beer by Victory. 9.5% sour Tripel. Here we're doing 2-for-1 in honor of 2/22/22, which is tomorrow when the clock strikes midnight. It'll be 2/22/22. Very special day. And also we have a beer opener. Party Like Sophia. You're in our thoughts, Sophia. Rest in peace. I hope I drink this beer as elegant as she did. Elegantly, sorry. Ooh, it's very sour and tart. It's almost as sour as I was when the Nationals moved from Montreal in 2005. I hate those Nationals. Yeah. This is a very popular beer. I'm sure that many of you have tried this. From Downingtown, Pennsylvania, 9.5%. And I really enjoy it. It's probably my favorite sour beer. It's very, very smooth and you get more of like the ale or a Pilsner type aftertaste compared to a normal sour. Like it's kind of like a beer blended with a sour a little bit. But it still goes down super easily like a lot of sours do. And like just very, very well made. Just a blend of lots of flavors, very, very nicely. And it's good. It's good for people who enjoy, regular beer. And I think that there's a chance you'll like this even if you don't like sours that much. There's a chance you'll still like this. This is a good crossover between many types of different beers. So I'm a big fan, and I would give this a 9.2 out of 10. Thank you for watching, and go Lamar Jackson. You're gonna have a great year. He's gonna have a great year next year, and I hope that he starts throwing to Bateman more because that's a hell of a wide receiver. And go Towson Tigers. I hope that you win your first conference tournament since 1991 and go dancing. We might go to the CAA tournament in Washington, D.C. if they make it to the championship. So good luck, Towson Tigers basketball, men's basketball. And because I did this monkey beer, it's kind of starting to make me a little creepy about this monkey tapestry. I just kept looking at him because he's like, looks like he's staring at me. And he's not as nice looking as this monkey. This monkey looks real non-offensive and funny. So be friends with this monkey and not that monkey. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and good night. Happy 2/22/22.